Hey guys, I've been wondering how to reuse my old sarees, which have got old blouses, been racking my brain. What's up, beautiful people? My name is Neha and I make videos on fashion and lifestyle. In this video, I have taken my old sarees and styled them up in new ways. This is definitely the oldest saree that I own. It came along with the blouse, which is yellow in color, and that's how I wore it for several years. And that's the whole point in me trying to come up with a new idea to wear it in a different way. So here I've used the concept of color blocking and used a green blouse and bought green tassels and stitched it around the pallu. Since the colors are bold and vibrant, I've kept the accessories to the minimum and styled it up with a beautiful pair of earrings and a few bangles. This again is an old saree. I used to wear this in college for ethnic days and it had the same colored blouse. What I've done here is taken this pastel colors and combined it with this floral crop top. I picked this top from Lifestyle and is definitely one of my best buys from there because it went perfectly well with my sari. I think wearing this sari this way looks stylish and also shows off the beautiful gold tassels on the top. Again, for this look, I have kept the accessories simple with golden earrings and bangles. This is definitely my pick for a summer wedding. This is not really a sari. I had just picked up a material and tried to give a separate border, and to add more texture to it, chosen a very different golden blouse. I love wearing saris and a bold shade of red is definitely one amongst my favorites. Another great way to style a sari and give a definite shape to your body is to wear a belt. To accessorize, I have worn this pearl belt which I picked up in Bangalore and styled it with these kundan earrings. For this look, I stole my mom's sari and got this thing stitched back in Mangalore. For this look, we went into a trial and error phase. It took me and my tailor a few attempts and we ended up wasting a major portion of the sari, but luckily managed to pull this look. I have styled this sari skirt with a crop top which I picked up in Lifestyle. The accessories are bare minimum, a statement neck piece and bangles. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it useful. Do let me know in the comments below the outfits that you like the most. Also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Thank you so much once again guys, and I'll see you next week.